Good morning, dear children. Lesson number 2 of geography inside our earth is going on. Yesterday we seen the layers of the earth. The innermost layer we call the core. Then in the middle level we call the mantle, and the uppermost layer where we live, where we walk, that we call the crust. That three are the major layers of the earth. Like an onion, earth also having a layers. Now after that we are going to see the rocks and the mineral. How many types of the rocks generally we found, and what are the minerals that we are going to see in today's part. The earth crust is made up of the various type of the rock. Any natural masses of the mineral matter that make up the earth crust is called a rock. Means from any of the matters from when any of the matter upon the earth make different types of the shapes that we call the rocks. Rocks can be different color, size and texture. We can see here the picture of the rock also. That is the different shapes of the rock and different types of the rock made up in different ways. There are the three major types of the rock, that is igneous rock, sedimentary rocks and the metamorphic rocks. When the molten magma cools, it becomes a solid rocks. Thus form are called the igneous rock. First we are going to see here what is the meaning of the igneous rock. See in that picture, I am showing you one picture. When that molten magma come out and make that when that molten magma come out and cools down, at that time the igneous rocks are formed, and these same rocks, igneous rocks, we can call also the primary rocks. Got it? That are the primary rocks. Can you imagine lava coming out from the volcanoes? Lava is actually fiery, red molten magma coming out from the interior of the earth on its surface. When this molten lava come on the earth's surface, it rapidly cools down and become a solid. Rocks form such a way on the crust are called the extrusive igneous rocks. And see student, when that molten magma come out from the volcano and it's cool down on the earth surface, जब वो earth surface पे cool down होता है, तो from that the extrusive igneous rocks were made up. Extrusive igneous rocks made up from the molten magma which come out and cool down. From that the extrusive igneous rocks are made up. They have a very fine grained structure. For example, basalt. Basalt is the very fine structure of this kind of the extrusive kind of the rock. The Deccan Plateau is made up of the basalt rock. Sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the earth crust. Solid rocks so form are called the intrusive igneous rock. जब molten magma जमीन पे आके सरफेस अर्थ के सरफेस पे आके कूल डाउन होता है, तब एक्सट्रूसिव इग्नियस रॉक्स फॉर्म होते हैं. बट समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन कि दैट मोल्टन मैग्मा कूल डाउन इनसाइड द अर्थ. At that time, the intrusive igneous rocks were made up. Since they cool down slowly, they form a large grains. Granite is an example of such a rock. Grinding stones used to prepare paste powder of spices of the grains are made up of the granite. Rocks roll down cracks and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments. These smaller particles are called as sediments. Means when the rocks roll down, crack and hit each other and are broken down into a small fragment. जब rocks छोटे छोटे particles में divide होते हैं, तो these smaller particles are called the sediments. We can call that smaller particles of the rock sediments also. These sediments are transported and deposited by winds, water, etc. These loose layers of the rocks, these types of the rocks are called the sedimentary rocks. It means sedimentary rocks. What is mean the sedimentary rocks? जो small particles or pieces होते हैं rocks के, they flow out with the wind water, that we call the sedimentary rocks. For example, sandstone is made up from grain of sand. These rocks may also contain fossils of plants, animals, and other microorganisms that once lived on them. Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into the metamorphic rock under great heat and pressure. For example, clay change into the slate and limestone into the marble. I am showing you one picture here. See in that picture what happened. Magma cools beneath surface to form the intrusive igneous rock. That black side showing the intrusive igneous rock. Then uplifted and we can see magma flow to the surface cool from the extrusive igneous rock. And this is the extrusive igneous rock. Weathering and erosions. Then with the wind or with the water, that some particles of that rocks are flow it down or इधर उधर जाते हैं, that we call the sedimentary rock. Drain sedimentary compaction and the cementation forms a sedimentary rock. Then metamorphic rocks form from the heat and the pressure. जब सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स को हीट एंड प्रेशर मिलती है, तो फ्रॉम दैट अगेन द मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स आर मेड अप. सी igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into the metamorphic rocks under great heat and pressure. For example, clay changes into slate and limestone into a marble. That is the best example about that. Rocks are very useful to us. The hard rocks are used for making the roads, houses and buildings. You know, dear children, कि rocks are very important for us for different purposes. You use stones in many games. For example, 7 stones, it means the pittu, hopscotch, stapu, kit, 5 stones, gitti. Find out some more such games by asking your grandparents, parents and neighbors. Means many rocks are made up from the many rocks are useful to us. So here is our rocks. Types of the rocks is over. Now the mineral part is left, that we will see in tomorrow's lecture. Okay children, you have to read that topic properly and make understand which are the types of the rocks. So here we see 3 major types of the rocks, that are the igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. Okay, igneous rocks we call the primary rocks also. Then the 2 types of the igneous rock we seen, intrusive and extrusive. Okay, so that we seen in detail. Now you have to read again and make understand. Okay, goodbye.